said, yeah, you too.
Everyone does.
Maayong buntag. Diba, hinay ka ang energy na ako karon no. Hinahinay sa kay ngano time check at 6 a.m. Naghilak na si Jaden kay ngano sayo kay binang mata. Ubanon ta mo karon kay mga tutag Amsterdam. So 3 hours kayo mong biyahe no. Nanguha na ko mga toys na dalon ako kay para ma-entertain ang mga bagets basta namin mga bata. Kailangan mag-andam jug mo mga toys. Ibutan ako sa bag ni Jaden. Si Jaden wala pa sa mood karon kay ngano sayo kay ni mata niya si Jaden kay di na siya ganahan sa imong mata kay mao lagi 7 na siya mamata or 7 10 na siya mamata. Magdala lang ko gamay na dinosaur. Si Kian ganahan kay books so magdala ko mga tulo ka books. Di ba? Kay lahi ra jud ni Kian. Books iyang tirada. Kay Jaden of course, woody niya naganahan niya. So I'll just put it here. Kaya taod-taod manglakaw nami. Nag-andam na rin ko mga snacks nila gahapon. Ay gabi, hindi ay para di na ko magkarakara karon di. Karon, okay na. Taras na dito. Medyo mga korek. Mga korek. Gikan din naghilak si Jaden. So si Alinong si Dominic na ay klase. Nana ko sila, gusto mo kuyog. Ayun ang good mong kuan sa eskwela. Siya nagdili do sa ganahan mo. Kuyog kay, layo. 3 hours kayo. Mga teenager karon no? Ay nako, excited ako kay ang weather nindot pud kaayo. So, magkita ta ninyo unya i-update ta mo ha. So finally naabot na jud me. Thank you for driving, brother.
Sure. As if I had a choice.
Someone drive no kay 3 hours and 40 minutes. Yeah, kay night traffic. Pero singit yun si Jaden when I was old. So karon padulong nami sa entrance. Daghan kay dako kay ilang parking space. Grabe ka dako ilang parking space. Magay karon it's that Thursday. So wala kay daghang tao.
And my wife promised to buy me a bottle of cognac for driving.
What is cognac?
Alcohol.
Na lang ko. So actually ganina I was torn of like coming here or not. Kaya nga 3 hours and 40 minutes lagi ang biyahe.
She lied to me and said it was only a 3-hour drive. It was really a 4-hour
No,
drive.
last night it was 3 hours when I checked.
Uh-huh.
So kay traffic magwood. May tao nagpalit lang daay may og ticket online. Pwede mo magpalit dire pero iwas kuan na lang iwas tawagan ni pila sa ticketing booth. So sa online na namin nagpalit. So magsuroy-suroy ta din yung mga labs no. Kay nindot daw kay dire pinakadako daning tulip kuan area dire sa Europe. Unya sa mga baguhan pa dira. Favorite flower jud ako ang tulip. So excited na kay me. Tan-awon nato kung mas nindot pa ni dire kay sa South Korea. Kaya nakaatubon mi sa Japan ug South Korea. Nindot ang South Korea pero let's see kung nindot po dire.
Yes. Hello. It's number one.
It's like start far
Yeah.
and work our way back. Right?
Babe, he said like enjoy your visit and I said yeah, you too.
Everyone does. I bet that's the type of shit that they were buying.
Yeah, of course. Oh. Uy, naabot naman diri. Daghan kay tao. Uy, grabe. Ang mga tulip diri no mo siya plastic. It looks like a plastic flower. Let's start on the farthest, then coming back here according to my husband. How can you see ya?
Yeah, because everybody's stopping right here.
You're right. Look at this.
You don't. There's no map. You didn't get a map.
No. Uy, tanaw-tanaw lang mo dira ha. Kaya magdaghan-daghan jud kay tao diri. Grabe kahayag.
You like it, Jade?
I know. You want to watch? Uy, ilang mga tulip diri no. Hastang dagko ah. Now, babe, I was comparing the tulip in our backyard than here. Ours like so tiny.
I mean, it's basically the same
It
thing.
is basically the same thing. Yo, look at this. Yes, it is beautiful.
Is it earpiece?
He wants to pick flowers and put it in my ear. It's okay, Jaden. Dako kay siya ay. Dako kay siya na lugar. Wa may kabalo kung asa may mga to. What are these? Like shell? Oh, look at that. Okay, go. You can walk. Go, let's go. Go, Jaden. Oy, napon sa fountain dere do. Ano lang ang life. Oy.
Mommy, that's the water.
Yeah, I know. Come here. Jaden. Let's go, baby.
Mommy,
Wait an hour. Napa na dito. Mga kato. Tulip at na siya. Kato. Dere.
Het gaat gewoon
Grabe.
je file nog net. Ja.
Mao na itong nakita namo dito. Ganina.
Het is meestal
Before may nanulod
je
dere.
ziet namelijk heel veel narcissenvel.
Dako,
Als je gaat lezen.
kayo. Lahi ra dyan. Jaden. Ano, mahulog ka doon. Dito. Jaden, let's go. Hoy, literal yun siya na hashtag dako. Unsa ka niya pagtanong, no? Ari, Jaden. What can you say about it?
I can't say anything because I'm not allowed to look at it yet. 'Cause I'm with the baby. No, I'm just playing. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful.
It's just like rice meal. You know?
Well, they
What's
got
a
way
palay?
bigger. Like
Yes.
They open up and bloom a lot bigger.
Yeah. Like how many years they planted those tulip, right?
A lot of work maintaining these.
Uy, grabe, maka-amaze ka sa kadako. Dako, jud ay diri. Very dako.
I think it smells like the ocean too.
Yeah. This is so smart. Oh, look at the Trinity Garden. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Uy, ayun ako! Jaden, get up here.
That's what I like.
Worth it kayo among gibiyahe, no? Dako jud kay siya ay. Nya maraming nasa ka ng paradise, literal na paradise jud kay siya. Tanan color sa tulip makita ninyo diri. Pero ang the best na tulip na ko nakita no katong purple na nindot jud kay siya. Look at this. Uy, kanindot na lang jud. I can't. Napod sila yung indoor dire. Ay, grabe na namog nila lakaw-lakaw, no? Murag nalipog namig nila lakaw-lakaw. Lakaw jud kayo siya. At least nakita na nato ang kagwapo dire jud sa tulip, no?
all the quitting.
Pag human ani dire, manguli nami. Kaya nga no, 3 hours pa mo ang drive.
4 hours.
I mean, 4 hours daw anak kong Banabels. Apila siguro traffic.
Don't minimize my work.
So naniudtod namin sa sakyanan kay gutom na jud kaayo. Kuana karon 11:57. First meal ni Jaden kay ngano. Si Jaden magod mahalok na siya mukaon gani o tamis pag nasa kanang sakyanan kay magsuka siya. So nagpaabot ng tawon siya na ma-okay iyang feeling. Yan na siya na I was sick lagi daw ganina. Gilisan na ako siyang pantalon, I mean pajama kay para comfy na siya ba kay 3 hours pa mong biyahe pa uli. Pag-abot mo dito, pag-abot mo sa balay, mag-kuan na lang may magluto ko panihapon para sa mga bagets. So magkita taon niya dito sa balay mga labsakay. Magluto ko og, babe, I will cook butter, honey, garlic, chicken for the kids.
For the kids. You know I'm eating some of that chicken.
Magluto
Like
ta.
the Korean fried chicken?
No, it's not fried. It's just like saute something ish.
Why don't you just do Korean fried chicken?
I don't want to fry it. And it's not Friday. Among fried
It's
mango.
my Friday.
Among fried mango kay kuan lang na siya kana every Fridays, di na siya Thursdays meal.
Oh, you know what? I think tomorrow
Mhm.
or this weekend, I don't know if you want, I can make the tzatziki one.
Ah, yeah.
It's such an easy meal. And we can switch it up if we want to do something other than chicken. We can
Maybe
get
beef.
beef. Just use the beef that we have already, the chuck
Yeah,
roast, and slice it thin.
Yeah. Tenderize it and
You know?
so magita taon niya iyo sa balay unya pangalap. Hello sa inyo ha. Nabot na jud mi actually ganina ra mi ni abot. Yeah. Nihapit lang mi sa kanang shape gani. I mean base diri. Kanagi panit akong banabels. Unya karon magluto ta og rice ha. Kuha na kong giluto mga 2 cups akong giluto. Mahurot gapon ning Dominic. Say sorry, ate. You're a faker. You should do like this, Alina.
I did that, but I didn't cut it small enough. So there was just
I can't imagine.
there were like big pieces of garlic in my thing.
You need to like slice like this first.
But I also used the wrong knife.
Then after that, you do like this. What did you use?
I used the red one.
I want Dominic to buy next. Is Dominic tired?
If you tell me he can get something, he's not gonna care.
Because I need Sprite on.
You want me to go tell him to get Sprite?
I don't know if he's tired. Did he make he has an assignment?
No, he's just on his couch watching TV.
I just need like 1 Sprite.
If you tell him that he can get something, he can be more than happy to.
Because it would be like so good. Okay, go. Come Alina. So, go na ako si Dominic eh. Kailangan mag Sprite niya. Wala man dahil may Sprite, we. Abi ninyo, nagpalit mo kong Sprite good, pero akong sa huna-huna ay napatoy Sprite. Gigamit na rin ako itong naghimog ako ribs. Pasensya na. Tigulang na, Diyos. Where's Dominic? Did you tell him that
He's coming.
Oh!
He walked in front of me.
He's looking at me.
Huh?
He's looking at me.
Yeah, because like, hey, you're going to do anything or something? Dominic, I need your help.
Yes, bro.
Can you buy Sprite?
Yes.
I really forgot. You can get my there's like 10 euros in my wallet. You know, just a small can or what is that? Bottle. Can or bottle, please. Okay.
Where's
My purse. And you can get 1 chips. So, pritohon ako kadali ang chicken. Karang gamay lang gani na pang prito. So, gimarinate na ako ni siya mga 2 days ago. Kaabi na kong kanang air fryer na ako siya niya. Usabon na ako. Di na ako sabon lang. Lahigon akong luto. Hoy!
Can you at least try to produce tears?
You're very dramatic. You know that? Dramatic kay si Kian ay murag ha?
Just like they broke the Reese's.
Yeah.
Atong Bombay o ahos. Pakabalik si Dominic. Ay, nako, herd. Gamay lang na butter akong butang. Balik na ito ni. Okay pa? Easy na kaayo. Sabi ka humot, uy. Pepper. Nga na to. Hala, wala na dahil kuy nor cubes, oy. No, garlic powder. Nga ko gamay na oyster sauce. Nga itong tubig. Perfect.
Ooh, that looks good.
What is wrong with you? They said that's Dada's. So, Nara, oh, ambot ko makita ba ninyo? Luto na ni siya. Tapos, nag-request akong bala o katong kanang Chinese pork fried. Pork fried ba ni siya? Ay, nakalimot ko. Basta fried ni siya na cornstarch. Di-marinate lang ako sa cornstarch. Seasonings, of course, itlog. It's good, ha?
Tomato.
Tanawa, oh, guwapa kayo. Tapos crispy unya, malasa din siya. Ah, perfect ka siya pang kanang sweet and sour gani na pork. Tell ate and kuya, food is ready. Okay, sige. Alright. So makakaon ko dire no kay ngano. Maka-video dai ko dire kay ngano. Si Dominic sa Alina nagkaon silang kwarto kay once a week pwede sila mukaon silang kwarto. So karon, kaya na may buhaton sa Alina. So dito siya sa ihang kwarto nagkaon. Lami kay crispy pa jud aba. Okay. Mga tanin niyo.
Mommy.
Rehydrate yan. Nalain siya kay
I don't want
init daw yung pagkaon. Okay. You don't want to say hi. Tapos sila kong suka. Suka, daghan, gamay na tuyo. The best. Ah?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I was sweaters in my food.
Okay. Ay, mag-concentrate sa akong kaon ha. Kami nagigutom na yung kayo ko. Anyways, ayaw kalimut to follow sa mo ang Facebook o TikTok, Blasian Fam. Ayaw po subscribe sa among YouTube channel. Unya mga labs, mga tita o tito si Jaden Dira o ni Kian o sa akong mga anak. Salamat kasi yung support. Unya, sa sunod na pod. Bye! Oh, sorry. Again?
Mom.